What up, what up, what up, what up, crypto warriors? It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm back at it again. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and a notification bell, for a chance to win some DAV. I may be giving away some DAV at the end of this video, you never know. But let's get into it. Let's talk about the Sea of Red, people. Sea of Red. You gotta be like Moses and part that Red Sea, man. Don't be scared. Okay, what's happening in the market today? What's causing the Sea of Red? Let's take a look. All right, here we go. This story is on inverse.com, and it speaks of several different things happening, like pretty much all at once. There's some crackdown in the Chinese market and the South Korean market as well. However, the really big news, or the really big thing that's happening, is it's 3 weeks before the Lunar New Year, which is, big in Asia. All right, basically the Chinese New Year. All right, and people are taking their money out of the market, just like we saw here on the western side of the world, where before the Christmas holiday, people was taking their money out of the market, and then right after the holidays, right after the Christmas and New Year's holidays, people started to buy back into the market. Okay, after they spent their money on gifts for their families and friends, they started to buy back into the market. And this is happening on the Asian side of things now, because it's leading up to the Lunar New Year, and there's actual evidence of this. If you just read this right here, I'm not going to read this to you guys, you're all adults here. But if you just read this right here, you'll see that, hey, it's the largest human migration on the planet. People are buying plane tickets, train tickets. People are driving to go see family and friends to celebrate the Lunar New Year. And here we go. Evidence that this has been happening in the market over the past 3 years. Here we are, January 7th, 24 days before the Asian New Year. There it is again. January 26th. 24 days before the Asian New Year. This is 2015 now. The first one was 2014. In 2016, January 15, 24 days before the Asian New Year. Look at the big drop, the big sell-off again. And again, last year. History repeats itself. The 5th of January 2017, 23 days before the Asian New Year. Again, a big sell-off. People are going to transfer exchange their cryptocurrencies for fiat funds, so this way they could actually spend it on their family and friends. All right, until we adopt a more accepting world for cryptocurrencies, where a lot more industries accept cryptocurrencies as a form as a trade for a transaction, for trade for services, then we will always see this. As there's more adoption, more and more people come on to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the less likely this will happen, because then people will be able to spend their cryptocurrencies directly into the market. And guess what's going to happen? We'll see a big pump, because people are going to be buying to, obviously take care of their, well, I shouldn't say there'll be a big pump. There'll be a big pump in the travel industry. That's what it is. There'll be a big pump in the travel industry. And there probably is a big pump in the travel industry right now, as far as people booking flights and, train tickets, bus tickets, all that stuff, all on the eastern side of the world. Here it is, man. Don't panic, people, is what I'm getting down to, boiling it down to. Even me, who have only been in crypto only for 2.5 months, I saw this last January when I was toying with the fact to jump into crypto. All right, when I was just thinking about the idea of getting into crypto, and I was being scared. I was scared off because I saw, oh well, everybody's selling off. The market's crashing. Crypto isn't going to last, and that would have been a perfect opportunity for me to buy in to the market last year. Okay, because as we all know, we saw what happened in 2017. This was the time to buy in, or this is the time to buy in right now, when everybody is selling off, because you have the people in Asia selling off for the holiday season for them, and then you have the weak hands here on the western side of the world selling off because they're scared. All right, they're selling off at a loss, which is stupid. You never sell off at a loss, man. All right, not at a huge loss anyway. Don't show your weak ass hands. Don't be a Mitch and sell shit off. Hold your hand and strengthen your positions now. Pick some coins that you like, some coins that are going to solve some real problems in society, and support those coins by buying them up right now when everything is cheap. Let's go to the coin market cap real quick. All right, let this page reload. Everything is in the red. Everything. Bitcoin's at a cheap price. Ethereum's down. Ripple is down a lot. This is a great buy-in for Ripple. NEM down. Neo down. Everything. Cardano. Everything is down right now. This is the time to get in, people. If you have some money stashed to the side, if you were preparing for this, for everyone that has been in crypto for over a year and they know this is going to happen, those people are sitting pretty fat right now because they're waiting for it to bottom out pretty much to start buying everything up. And this is what Warren Buffett talks about as far as the stock market. When everybody is selling, you have to be out there with your buckets buying shit up pretty much. So while everybody's selling, you buy. When everybody is full of enthusiasm and excitement and buying, that's when you sell. All right, you sell at the top, you buy the dip. So the tether is up. That's with the US dollar. I think that's the only thing that's in the green today. If you hear any background noise, they're just doing some work next door. They're renovating next door. So if you hear any noise in the background, that's what that is. Ethos is up. I don't know why, but hey, it's up. So if you're holding that, that's good for you. All right, let's just take a look all the way down to the top. Oh, Quant Stamp is up. All right, so only in the top 100, only 3 coins are up. But this is the time, folks, to get in. Don't be scared. The market does fluctuate. This is not the end of the world. If you're holding some bags, hey, hold your bags. Don't sell the shit. All right, so that's again, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do or what I am doing. All right, I'm holding everything, and anything extra I have coming in is going right back into the market to buy up some of my favorite coins. All right, strengthen my position in some of my favorite coins. If you're interested, man, in earning a passive income to hedge against when the market is bad like this, all right, the link is in the description below for lending platforms such as Dekado Coin and Bitconnect. Also for Hashflare cloud mining, all right, because they have cloud mining contracts available right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin and Zcash. So, and right now Bitcoin is still the most profitable contract to get. And I picked some up today as well. All right, so while everything is down, you can still be earning your favorite cryptocurrencies in the down market. So it's your boy, Sergeant Crypto. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video, because I could be doing a giveaway. Peace.